That's great. Uh-huh. We're gonna do this side.
Okay.
So your atlas looks more anterior on the right. Just means it kind of shifts this way because of your posture and your muscles. So we're actually gonna shift it back that way.
Okay.
So I'm gonna go through here, right there. Yeah.
Holy shit. Oh, sorry.
Sorry. You don't have to apologize.
Dang, that one was crazy. Wow. That felt good. No, I like that one.
That was clean.
Yeah, both of it. What
Yeah, yeah.
That was nice. That was nice.
You can see how far shifted your atlas is like this, essentially, because we're looking behind you, right? On an X-ray, it's gonna kind of look like this. So this will look wider, shallower. That tilt that you see in that lower cervical, and that's why we did that left side. Because this side's higher here.
Yeah.
And out. Great.
Oh. Whoa. Damn. Hold on, let me just.
Yeah. Take your time.
Wow, yeah.
Let it marinate.
Damn, that was the best one.
Yeah? That was your favorite?
Yeah, that was the best one, yeah. All right, I feel taller.
You feel taller?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
A little bit.
Hey, high five.
Awesome. Thank you, Doc.
You're good.
Yeah, appreciate it.